swinging and I don't know which way to go. The kisses lift me higher, like a sweet song of a choir. You light my morning sky with burning love. Hunker, hunker, burning love. You're a hunker, hunker, burning love. You're a hunker, hunker, burning love. Just a hunker, hunker, burning love. Well, hi there, pluckers. I have a Saw Fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson for you. This one is again another Elvis Presley song and a classic song, Burning Love, of course. Standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key that Elvis Presley recorded the song in, okay? So we're starting off with this rockabilly sort of D shape riff. Okay, D chord, and we're playing two sort of downstrokes, and then we put our pinky up to the 4th fret on the 3rd string, the G string, just for one stroke, okay? Take it off and then you're at the D chord again, and you just repeat that. Just do that twice, and the way I did it, I mean, you could just keep playing that all the way through. Lord Almighty, okay, and that's the simple way of doing it, but what I tried to do was work in some of the piano that's going on in the background. So what I was doing was two of those little riffs, sort of, then you do one more, and then you do it on the 3rd one, you do, right? So you do two normal ones, okay, so on that 3rd one you do 2 strokes on the D, pinky up to the 4th fret on the 3rd string, okay, and then what I do is I use my 2nd finger and 3rd finger to play the 3rd fret on the 4th string, hammer up to the 4th fret, so 3rd fret on the 4th string, hammer up to the 4th fret on the 4th string with the 3rd finger, that's right, and then you play the D chord again, try and hit the D open, try and get that D, the open D note into the last one, so it's, okay, so now that's the whole first part of the intro that I played, okay, so it's, and you just repeat that whole thing. And then the singing comes in just on the normal rockability bit, okay? So, Lord Almighty, okay? That sort of thing. So far we've got Lord Almighty, okay, then we go to a G, feel my, and then an A chord, however you wish to play it. I was playing a lazy A, but you can play straightforward A if you like, and then back to the D again, and you do 2 of those modified versions, okay, so you do 2 of those, okay, so now we've got, right from the beginning, we've got this. Almighty, feel my temperature rising, higher and higher, it's burning through to my soul. Okay, so when you're singing, you're just playing that straight, and then when you come out of the G to the A, it's the modified bit, twice. And then your next line there. So I'll do the whole thing, the whole verse very slowly, because all the verses are the same, okay? So intro, and then I'll play the first verse very, very slowly. So here we go. rising. Higher and higher, it's burning through to my soul. Next verse exactly the same. Girl, 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 gonna set me on fire. Rain is flaming, I don't know which way to go. Then we come to the chorus. Okay, got that? If you can't manage that bit, just keep playing the normal all the way through. That's right. So it's Lord Almighty, feel my temperature rising. Higher and higher, it's burning through to my soul. Okay, so you don't have to do the fancy bit if you don't want to, but I think it makes it sound a little bit more like the original. Okay, then we come to the chorus. So very simple: B minor to A to G. So your kisses lift me higher. Again, like a sweet song of a choir. You light my morning sky. And then a quick A, you burn in love. And then it's back into the... And it's back into another verse again. Okay? So coming out of that, I'll do the second verse for you. So it comes out of the first verse and goes into... Girl, 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 you're gonna set me on fire. Rain is flaming and I don't know which way to go. Your kisses lift me higher, like a sweet song of a choir. You light my morning sky with burning love. Oh, ooh, ooh, and so on. You get the idea. It just repeats more verses and more choruses, okay? And the only other thing is the ending. When you've done the final verse and it comes out of that final chorus, sorry, because your kisses lift me high, like a sweet song of a choir. You light my morning sky with burning love. Burning love, it's a bitter burning love, and all that is just D to G, okay? Just a hunker, sorry, just a hunker burning love, just a hunker burning love, just a hunker burning love. And obviously on the record it just fades out on that, but so what I did was just go hunker burning love. Sort of thing, just 4 stabs on D, okay, for an ending, or however you wish to do it. Thanks very much for watching and listening. Hope you enjoyed that quick lesson on a fairly straightforward song. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.